Okay, hello everyone and welcome to my channel Graphic Atom. So in this tutorial we are going to learn how you can create the previous image I've shown. So for this you have to download some images which I have given you in the description. So without wasting time, let's get started. So this road image and other two images are this one. Just simply drag it in the GIMP. Okay, and one more. And first of all we will manipulate this one only. Okay, so in order to do this we will add layer mask, white full opacity, click on add. Okay, so now you grab the brush tool and make the size larger. Okay, I think this one is correct. Now click on this white layer, this one, and create in like this. Clear the area because we don't need this whitish effect. Just clear the road itself like this. uh, Adding the benefit of adding layer mask is this, as you rub this one so accidentally, so you can bring it back by reversing the color by choosing white. You can bring it back like this. Okay, so let me just wipe the white area around this man standing in water. For this I will zoom in like this, and now we grab the brush tool and make the size small. I think this one is okay, and I will clean up this area like this. Like this. Okay, okay, I think this is perfect. I will zoom in now by pressing Control like this. And I'm just now will play with this image, the water image, so it will give the nice look, and I will spray the water uh, in this road. Okay, so let me we will just remove this white layer so it will blend with the road and looks like the water is coming from the road. We will just highlight the man so we can see it clearly. Like this. So I think this is pretty good. Now the time is to we create the cracks that I showed you in the preview. For this I'm gonna grab this draw images. I will give you link in the description. Let it load. Okay. Uh, Now, first of all, let's play with this image. That's the turn of the visibility. Now we have to click on colors, colorize, and we will give the color of this yellowish orange. For this, we will adjust the. Okay, I think this is good. We will click on OK, and now we will click on the dot image and colors for desaturate. OK, colors threshold, and we will drag this black arrow all the way up like this. OK, add alpha channel. Click the fuzzy select tool. Click on this white area and press delete. Click on these areas also which have left behind like this. Okay. Now select none. Add layer mask. Add. Now grab the brush again. Increase its size and remove the cracks on the road. Okay, and now click on this layer and make it dissolve. So it will create the mist like experience. So I think that's it. So this is the tutorial. Okay, just click on this image and click on colorize in the color option and drop down the lightness and click on OK. So now the image is ready. If you are seeing the white portion, for this I have said to go to color and colorize and lightness 0. So I think this is it from now. So I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.